Hyundai announced pricing today for the high-performance N variant of the Ioniq 5 SUV. The twin-motor all-wheel drive EV costs $67,475 after $1,375 destination fee, roughly a $25,000 increase over a base model Ioniq 5. This still keeps in line with N gasoline car pricing, as the Ioniq 5N is $8,700 more than the top trim Ioniq 5. At $67,475, the Ioniq 5N is fully equipped, meaning that there are no factory options to sprinkle add to that final price. And that price comes with a lot of goodies. Buyers get double the horsepower of a top-trim Ioniq 5, as well as improved battery cooling, 4-pot 15.8-inch front brakes paired with stronger regenerative braking, forged wheels, more aggressive styling, and retuned suspension. In its class, the Ford Mustang Mach GT Performance and Tesla Model Y Performance both undercut the Ioniq 5N's base price, but both also come with around 100 fewer horsepower. The Ioniq 5N is roughly $5,000 more than Kia's high-performance EV6 GT, but slots in just under the Genesis GV60's performance. Both of these cars share their underpinnings and high-power aims with the Ioniq 5. Hyundai, however, has made the Ioniq 5N much more playful than its platform siblings, with the inclusion of In-Grin Boost, a high-power mode that increases output to 641 horsepower for up to 10 seconds, simulated manual shifting and drifting-specific driving modes. It also has 65 more horsepower than the Kia, and a whopping 158 horsepower more than the GV60, and we've found it to be a very fun drive. The real question that remains is whether buyers will even be able to get an Ioniq 5N anywhere close to MSRP. Early reports suggest that dealers are already making lists of prospective buyers, signaling high demand and low supply, which means that this hot hatch might be rare to find at sticker price.